Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Kia Sportage. So from any screen, you've got map here, there's an information switch there, current position, click on that, get any of that, click on map, and then you've got the squares at the bottom, click on that, you've got destination, address, previous destinations, points of interest, we want address, click on postcode, that's already been set, but I'm just going to clear that. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. Now we need to go to numbers. So numbers are here, if I click that, and then 5, 4, it's defaulted back to letters E, A. That's us. We click on that we just entered, and then, yeah, that's all right. We click start. Then you've got a choice of 3. We'll go for the eco one. Click eco. And done.
Starting route guidance.
That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. See you later. Bye bye.